Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing 3 healthy soups for weight loss. Vegetable lentil soup. Ready in 15 minutes. Calories 220 per serving. Protein 12 grams per serving. Read ingredients before you start carefully. Heat olive oil in a pot. Add onion, garlic, carrot, and celery. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Add tomato and red lentils. Pour in the vegetable broth. Simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until the lentils are soft. Season with salt and black pepper. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve warm. Benefits: high in protein, rich in fiber, low in calories, keeps you full longer. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 220 calories, 12 grams of protein, 30 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of fat. Broccoli spinach soup. Read ingredients before you start carefully. Heat olive oil and cook onion and garlic. Add broccoli and vegetable broth. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes. Add spinach and cook for 2 minutes. Blend until smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Serve warm. Benefits: rich in vitamins, high in fiber, low in calories, supports immunity. Approximate nutrition per serving. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 160 calories, 6 grams of protein, 18 grams of carbohydrates, 7 grams of fiber, and 5 grams of fat. Tomato vegetable soup. Read ingredients before you start carefully. Heat olive oil and sauté onion and garlic. Add tomatoes and carrot. Pour in the vegetable broth. Cook for 20 minutes. Blend until smooth. Season with salt, pepper, and basil. Serve warm. Benefits: rich in antioxidants, low in calories, high in vitamins, supports healthy weight management. Approximate nutrition per serving: about 145 calories, 4 grams of protein, 21 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of fat. Healthy eating can be simple and delicious. Which soup would you like to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.